Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto E22i and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find either the passwords and accounts or Google. It's up to you, I prefer this one. Right here we've got our Google account added, but that's okay, we can add another. So let's tap on add account, choose Google, and make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required, and of course confirm it with your screen lock. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly. Okay, let's tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. You can of course always remove it whenever you want to, just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will disappear immediately. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.